When we look up at the sky, we realize that we are part of this magnificent entity called the universe. Everything that we see, that we feel, and everything that have existed and exists are part of this marvelous structure of reality. We are all intimately connected to the universe. As Carl Sagan says, the very matter that makes us up was generated long ago and far away in the interiors of stars. We are made of star stuff, and perhaps the most astounding fact is that the universe is within us, and we are a way for the universe to experience itself. Let's look into the history which made us, the history of the universe. Humans have had a natural curiosity to know how all this began, to know the beginning of the universe, the beginning of everything. At first, some thought that the universe was static and eternal, that it existed forever. But this idea was later replaced by the idea that the universe had a beginning, and it was the Big Bang. The most widely accepted model for the beginning of the universe is the Big Bang. One of the intellectual revolutions of the 20th century is the finding that the universe is expanding. An American astronomer, Edwin Hubble, found that most of the galaxies appear redshifted. A redshift means the galaxies are moving away from us, and therefore the universe would not be static as everyone previously had thought, but in fact expanding. The distance between the different galaxies is growing all the time. This implied that everything should have started from an infinitely hot and infinitely small point. In 1960s, two American physicists, Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson, found accidentally the cosmic microwave background radiation, the relic of the early universe, the afterglow of the creation. These, along with other observational evidences, made the Big Bang widely accepted. But what happened at the Big Bang? 13.7 billion years ago, the universe started as an infinitely dense point. Everything we know and that can be seen were created from this point. This singularity started to expand, giving rise to matter and energy. And the Big Bang marked the beginning of space and time as we know it. There are many questions in cosmology that may be beyond our experience and understanding. Our brains must always be open to the answers, especially while asking those questions that push the limits of our capacity to understand. Please subscribe to our channel for watching many science and technology videos like this.